ag fleadh na hÉireann Fleadh Cheoil I mBealfast Fleadh is mission ocean water agus ben na hen live idir nish agus a hen jeg enough the Fleadh Cheoil agus a holider. My name is Loup Waterhood and I'll be with you until 11 o'clock tonight with the best of musicians here at the Gig Rig in Belfast City Centre. As you can see behind me, there is a group of musicians behind me hailing all the way from South Derry and I'm told a small sprinkle of County Antrim too. From the shores of Lough Neagh, we have the Loup CCÉ. For over 50 years, the Loup Comhaltas has played a vital role in keeping our traditions alive here. As part of Comhaltas County hÉireann, they've dedicated themselves to preserving and promoting Cheoil, hÉireann, Dowsa, agus in Gaelic, ensuring these traditions are passed on from generation to generation. As you see behind me, we have a lot of these generations here, and with the 50 years, I believe we might have one person for each year. We have about 50 musicians on the stage behind me, so we are bound to have a great evening agus Cheoil agus crack. From weekly music classes, regular sessions, community events, hosting the County Fleadh this year, from prestigious stages including the Royal Albert Hall in London, Shane Gael in Dublin's National Concert Hall. But we are delighted to have them here in Belfast. Put your hands together for the Loup CCÉ.
So yeah, you can see a big group of us here, all age groups, all abilities, and that's what our brand is all about, including everybody. So we're going to start off with we set of jigs here. The first one is called Haunted House, into My Darn Asleep, and finishing with Club Ceilidh. And Catherine's going to lead us off here. Children from County Tyrone, our neighbours and rivals. Anybody from Tyrone out there? We support you sometimes. So we're going to ask John Joe. He's a famous local musician from actually our rival football club in Ballinderry. But we're claiming him, so we are. So he's a Loup man for tonight, and he's going to sing us the song Old Arbo, and he'll tell you maybe a wee bit about it.
Time just moves on, and the Loup are very, 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 very good club, but we're a better club, you know. Anyway, this week's song I'm going to sing is about our Argo. It was written by an Argo man, and it's made very famous by Philomena Bagley. So I'm going to try and do a bit of justice in that. Farewell, my name, the green flag hills, farewell, the shine of the lane. Your fairest points, a sweet love name, with silvery wine serene. Though far from home, and no to roam, far from the wild and stray, I'm torn to kill. Coffee where we spend each time. All the bites of mine, going high and lower ravine.
And then we're going into the Banshee Reel. So again, I want to thank you all for supporting us tonight, and enjoy the rest of the Fleadh.